member of the ST, I have also annexed my ST certificate. I was not selected. Now the plea that
You
was
participated, so you got the opportunity to participate. So now his question is whether preference is to be given or not.
Right.
Preference for what?
preference for the ST candidate with respect to the village in case the majority of the population in that particular village comprises of members of STs.
So very good. Now what was the selection criteria? Participation in a test, written test.
Written test.
So you appeared in that. Now the results have been published.
Results published.
How many? One vacancy.
One vacancy.
Oh, the candidate who was appointed, what was his marks he obtained?
Marks.
And you obtained how much marks?
I obtained 37.8.
May I? His contention is not that he's the highest marks. His contention is that the preference should be given. May I just 2 minutes away. Under the tending condition, if the majority of the area is scheduled tribe or scheduled caste, then preference will be given to a scheduled caste candidate. Over here,
the preference in the same what?
In appointed as ASHA worker.
No. If the person whom you have selected has obtained 50 marks.
No, that is a general candidate.
Oh,
that is not
general
candidate. So, but the point is majority of the people scheduled or not? That is the thing. Because
had there been a majority of scheduled tribe,
then she would have possibly been.
How? Even if she does not secure general category first marks of the first candidate.
Then the first scheduled tribe will be decided first. The first of the scheduled tribe candidates. There's reserve for that then. But the issue is, my issue is, if your lordship kindly comes to my affidavit in opposition, I have specifically provided. So, Mr.
Banerjee, why did you dig your own grave saying that preference will be given? What preference? It will be reserved for ST then?
If majority of the people are.
Then it is not reserved for
preference. If majority of the people are of scheduled tribe, then preference will be given to him.
Preference meaning what? That he will be...
Appointment. Yes.
Marks will not be the criteria.
Marks will not be the criteria.
The ST or the ST certificate.
So show us that criteria. That marks will not be the criteria.
That has not been specified, but it has not been clarified also in the notification. Now they cannot go back by their own notification. Notification is in page 21 of the appeal.
Now, what was the mode of selection? Written.
Oh, that
if it comes to 5.
Only yes, because there is no marking system.
No
written test.
No written test. 21.
Preference.
No, written test
is there.
No, there.
Clause.
But this one is clause 5.
5 and 7.
Written test, which clause? The eligibility criteria is such and such. What is the procedure to select?
Lordship, there is no written test. It was only a viva voce.
Selection process.
No, it's the selection, but because everybody's got marks.
Page 21.
Come to page.
According to the marks obtained in Madhyamik or equivalent examination will be considered.
If Lordship kindly takes my affidavit in opposition.
Selection will be based on marks. Scores in interview. 10% হচ্ছে scores in interview.
There's an interview, there's a evaluation of both. That's the score sheet.
See.
Course in the interview.
10% ছিল তোমার জেনারেল ক্যাটাগরি আর এদের সঙ্গে। You participated in the interview.
Lordship. If your Lordship takes my page 21, your Lordship see the score sheet of my opposition.
Then question of preference.
সেই জন্যই তো নম্বরটা জিজ্ঞেস করছি।
Yes.
Page
21 of my affidavit in opposition.
You are Promila
Hembrun.
And who has been selected,
Your
Mr.
Lordship will see
See,
this Moon Hari.
Moon Hari?
Your Lordship will see the last column aggregate score on 100 evaluation after taking a tally 52.99. Other is 33.05 and the other one my learned friends
তাতেও হবে না. You have scored lesser marks.
Lordship, the paramount factor is whether the member who is being selected is an ST or not. If the majority of the
Please
population.
come to your application. Please come to your application at page 23. The mode of the selection process. Got it? Page 23. Left hand side top, selection procedure. Selection will be based on marks obtained in Madhyamik. 90% will be for that and 10% will be for the interview. Now kindly come back to page 21 of the opposition. You scored Madhyamik. Your marks were 32.18. And in interview you got 5.7. Now the person who got selected, he got 44.49 in Madhyamik and 8.5 in interview. So his total is more than yours. Even if preference is granted, you do not come within the zone of
Then
consideration.
your Lordship, what about point number 7? So that will not be the
Point number,
7, page 21.
ও নিজেরাই ভুল করে দেয় কি? Page 21, point number 7. There is no 7, sir. There is
no,
point.
it's 5, not 7, 5. 5.
Lordship, that is the eligibility criteria. First, the eligibility criteria has
No,
to be satisfied.
preference
then only-
will be, preference when can be given. Suppose you and myself, we are appearing in test. I am ST, you are general. If I obtained same marks as you have obtained, then the question preference will come. তাই না?
But your Lordship, kindly
no,
look
no,
into
no.
the impugned order.
No,
It has
suppose
also decided categorically on the basis of the majority population. The impugned order, last paragraph.
we are with you. We are saying that they have not granted you preference. Even if we say that, how do you come within the zone?
that selection criteria, memo number
Keeping in
13 December 2021, cross 5.
that is page 25 এ আছে সেটা 13 ডিসেম্বরটা.
Page 25.
If Lordship see the top of page 26, that is there. Majority of the population, more than 50%, that is clarified by that.
No, you come to clause 5.
Yes.
It is appearing subject to the confirmation. Keeping the selection criteria fixed by the subdivisional level ASA selection committee within bracket memo such and such 13 December 2021.
3rd December.
3rd December. That means if it is found that in a particular in a particular area there is a majority of ST candidates, then
I have an
whether a
answer.
different-
Your Lordship, take my opposition once again.
Lordship, it
Your
is
Lordship,
rather otherwise.
Come on,
Your
Your
Lordship,
Lordship,
2 candidates
We are
from
going
the
to
ST.
that.
And the
We are going to that.
if Your Lordship now,
I check all the things then.
now Your Lordship comes to page 27.
26 টা আগে দাও।
26.
প্রেফারেন্সটা লিখে নাও। এটা
The sub-center area, total population,
yeah.
ST population, 47, less than 50.
যেটা আমরা বলছি না ইকুয়াল মার্কস পেলে তবেই প্রেফারেন্স পাবে তা নয়। ইকুয়াল মার্ক পেলো কি কম নম্বর পেলো এসটি বেশি।
মেজরিটিটা হচ্ছে more than
হ্যাঁ। না এই যে যেটা আমরা বলছি না প্রেফারেন্স তখনই আসবে
3 yes, got it.
সেটাই তো বলছি।
হ্যাঁ।
3 বারোতে ক্লজ 3টা দেখো। প্রেফারেন্স বলতে কি হলো ইন্টারপ্রেট হয়। If ST having minimum requisite qualification meeting all eligible available, then selection of the said position should be made from amongst them.
Amongst them.
বুঝেছো তো? গুড়িয়ে গেল তো। নিজেরাই ভুল করে দিল।
হ্যাঁ, তার মানে নয় ওইসব বাদ দেখা
ওই সময়
হবে না।
দেখা হবে।
শুধু ওদের মধ্যেই হবে।
হ্যাঁ।
ঠিকই বলছি। You come to page 26, you cross.
Yes.
26 you dig your own grave further.
In terms of preference means if SC candidates having minimum requisite qualification and meeting all eligibility criteria are available, then selection of the set position should be, yes, if it is more than 50%,
Yes.
if the area is,
it is not area wise, village
but
wise.
please let me finish. 50% more. So therefore now Your Lordship, if today Your Lordship comes to my affidavit of opposition, page 27,
27.
He belongs to
this is area,
27 no page. I have-
Appeal in opposition.
Oh, position. Page 27. Acha.
Yes, you should see subcenter, Beria, total population so and so, ST population so and so, percentage of population 47.33. It is less than 50.
Page 27.
Yes.
Beria.
Top.
Total.
See,
Beria
this subcenter has these 5 villages.
47.33.
47.33. So it's less than 50%. So when this preference,
Come back to you.
this preference will not be applied over here because it is 47.33 and it has to be more than 50%.
Lordship will kindly comes to page 20.
If today it had
20
exceeded,
of my appeal.
We will come back to you, sir. We are not throwing you out.
today if
We are giving him trouble.
yes, I am the one on the receiving end. My landman should happily keep quiet. So basically what I'm saying is,
No, what makes you feel that you are in the receiving?
I am always in the receiving end. Not now, for many years. No, I'm not complaining about that. I'm proud recipient of your lordship's affection. But coming back to the matter. Today, as far as the subcenter Beria is concerned, the total population is 3980 on the top. Then is ST population is 1884. Percentage of ST population is 47.33. So this
They
thing,
do not come.
this preference is more than 50%. Then it would
Only
be,
preference.
then I would be stuck under, if this is more than 50%, then the next, then it will be limited to only schedule.
And what is your answer to his
Lordship will
contention
kindly
that
come to
central
page-
government says
Page 20. Page 20 of my appeal.
20 of the
The appeal.
application?
Stay application.
20.
What say?
Where from you have got this annexure? Annexure, this is to subdivisional officer by the CMOH Health. What you are showing, sir?
My stay application, your lordship.
Yes, page 20.
Lordship, it is Bedia is the subcenter.
Yes.
Village is Palash Pahadi. Vacancy arose with respect to the particular village. And as per the census report, the population in that particular concerned village is showing a majority of ST population.
Where do we find that?
Lordship will kindly comes to page 10 and 11 of my appeal, of my stay application. Stay application out of 16 and 17, sorry, your lordship. 16 and 17 of my stay application. This is the census report as of 2024.
Yes, where you are showing? In Palash Pahadi village. Center is
Scheduled
at
tribe 146. And page 17, your lordship, the percentage. That's 60.33%.
no, show us the advertisement that it is for not for Beria, it is Palash Pahadi. Beria is the sub-center including many
Lordship,
villages.
the 5 villages.
Five
Lordship,
villages.
page 20. That's page 20. Page 20 of my stay application. I mean,
Yes. Name of the sub-center is Beria.
Bedia. Village Palash Pahadi.
Maybe.
Kindly comes to page 21.
No, page
Clause
21.
5. Area means village, not subcenter.
No, area definition
Two.
there.
Point number 2, should be a resident of the same area village.
Where is annexure C to that? Where is annexure C as referred to in clause 2?
Town area.
Annexure C column 4. Where is that? Area. This kindly come to page 23, bottom annexure C. Area wise a ASHA vacancy under different health sub-centers.
Yes.
So the ASHA vacancy is pertaining to the sub-center.
No, village. Point number 2 has clarified that area will mean village, not subcenter. Point number
It is within bracket village. It is within now should be resident of same area bracket village which she will be selected as mentioned in annexure C.
Yes.
Kindly come to
Then-
page 23 bottom now.
19. Page 20. Page 20 application.
Villages has not.
C1 to C4.
C2 বলছে।
It is C2 also.
এটা C
Block wise আসা vacancy.
টোটাল ভ্যাকেন্সি হচ্ছে নেম অফ ভ্যাকেন্সি, এটা হচ্ছে নেম অফ ব্লক হচ্ছে শান্তির, নেম অফ
Lordship, page 20 is C2,
হচ্ছে
annexure C2.
দর্শিকা, নেম অফ সাব সেন্টার হচ্ছে বেরিয়া, পেজ হচ্ছে পলাশ পাহাড়। যদি যখন রেসিডেন্স হবে আমি করেছি সিঙ্গল।
কেননা বেরিয়াতে আর কোনো, কিন্তু সাব সেন্টারে আর কোনো ভিলেজ নেই। সাব সেন্টারে একটাই ভিলেজ পলাশ পাহাড়ি।
মিস্টার ব্যানার্জি,
Annexure C starts from page 18 of my.
পলাশ পাহাড়ি village, area means village and Palace Pahari village, and comes to page 20 of their application. Their vacancy was declared in respect of block হচ্ছে শান্তুরি, গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত গোরসিকা, name of sub-center area, name of village পলাশ পাহাড়ি, number of vacancy 1.
Polashpari is the place where the Beria subcenter, that village, but it caters to 5 other villages.
Which are those 5 villages?
You see my, your lordship sees my chart, page 27.
বেরিয়া, গোয়াল বেরিয়া,
Polashpahari, Matindra, and Kulai.
এখানে নেম অফ ভিলেজ দিয়েছে।
এখানে
Is there in page
So
20.
if your lordship sees that,
number of গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত, number of sub-center বেরিয়ার পপুলেশন হচ্ছে পলাশ পাহাড়ি হচ্ছে ST,
is one of the villages. So the total area, this is,
yes,
No, it is only one village.
পলাশ পাহাড়ি
there is majority.
of total population 298 and scheduled type population 1110. So it is not more than
No, no,
That is also not more than 50%.
50%. You come to page
Then-
27 of their
it has
epidemic
no
of
basis. What I am showing is the census report.
But what is the
They
authenticity of that
calculated
census
their
report?
population according to their own convenience.
But this is my report. The
Census report has not been prepared by the appellate.
census report, what is the authenticity of this census? This is not the census
is there
report.
by the government of
What is,
India.
it is not part of the census.
16 and 17
That is not census
of my,
report.
stay application.
That is not the census report. This is the extract from some document, not a census
We have
report.
derived that from the website of the central government.
Where is that you showed us?
Page
Census?
16 and 17 of my stay application. Your Lordship.
Mr. Banerjee, who has prepared this chart which you have annexed?
My officer will not have done it. I'll tell you, this has come from the subdivision officer,
Medical office.
subdivision officer, SDO.
Lordship, my census report tallies with the voter list of that particular village. If your Lordship desires, directs, I can produce the voter list of that particular village also. The
So
cens-
you have to tell us how this ascertainment is made by the state from the central census
Exactly.
report, or you are adopting?
I am, that I can take instruction for what is the source, because
No,
this
have
has
you
come with
replied
under
to-
the,
replied to that census in your opposition?
No,
no,
Have you dealt with that, Mr. Banerjee?
paragraph wise deal করেছে।
No, sub-center includes 5 villages, you are saying? Now the sub-center, your selection is only, it's confusing, na? Your notice for engagement says sub-center at the first paragraph. Sub-centers in annexure C.
Sub-center barrier.
Sub-center is very.
Barrier.
under Garsi
Under that sub-center,
One of the villages is Polar.
This particular vacancy was with respect to
Area total করে দিয়েছে। Area total
এখানে
করেছে,
একটা
individual villages এরও করেছে।
হ্যাঁ, ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল ভিলেজেস করেছে।
এই
এরা
যে
বলছে যে
গোয়ালবেড়িয়াটা দেখি, গোয়ালবেড়িয়াটাতে
টোটাল পপুলেশন 242 এর মধ্যে শিডিউল টাইপ আছে 146 আর এ বলছে 142। এই ফিগার গুলো মিলছে।
authenticity of the document.
ওটা সাইড
সো
Lordship, I can produce the electoral roll and the election.
roll who will count, whether court will count.
It tallies with the census report.
That was not your case before the read court also. Now you have in appeal taken all these points.
And I've given the figures and facts and figures over here.
And kindly come to page 27 of your application, of their opposition. They are saying in Goalberia-te more than 50%.
More than 50%.
But Goalberia does not come within Santuri block. From your application page 20, where do we find Goalberia, Mr. Man? Goalberia পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, মাটির ডুন্ডরা প্লাস ডালান বোর্ড, এগুলো একটাও এখানে আসছে না।
ভ্যাকেন্সি স্টেটমেন্টে
এই যে লিস্টটা দিয়েছে 27 এ, এটার সাথে ভ্যাকেন্সি স্টেটমেন্ট
গোয়ালবেড়িয়া does it come in? গোয়ালবেড়িয়া এর মধ্যে নেই, অন্য কোন জায়গা বলে দিচ্ছে।
লেখা রয়েছে চোখের সামনে, দেখো কথা বলছো।
No, Mr. Banerjee, where from we will find sub-center area consists of 5 villages.
Milord, that
Because their application page 20, that is your annexure C2, your vacancy is against block Santuri.
if your lordship kindly comes to page 18 once of my opposition.
Asha vacancies under different blocks. Raghunathpur subdivision.
Page 15, name of the block Saturi.
So in Raghunathpur subdivision, there are 1, 2, 3 blocks. And in respect of all the villages of the respective blocks, there is 1 vacancy each.
গর্সিকার মধ্যে আছে বেরিয়া।
So when
কি
in
বলছো, নিজেই জানো না। If my lord kindly comes to page 18,
hmm,
your lordship will see of my opposition, your lordship.
hmm,
The term area is to be interpreted as demarcated service area assigned to a vacant position for which the selection process is being initiated. It's the demarcated portion. So my submission, my lord, before your lordship is
page 80.
page 18.
Demarcated service area assigned to a vacant position for which the selection process is initiated, right?
So, my lord, today my submission is that as far as the sub-center at Beria is concerned, this is to cater to 5 villages. Now, these 5 villages, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have given. I have given the population of each one of them.
So you show us that in the other 5 villages, Ledersan, Santuri, Muradi, Musulia, because you see your chart C2, you are saying 5 villages, but for the respective villages, there are separate vacancy. For
No,
the, yes,
Yes, yes.
kindly see C2, page 20 of their application.
2 vacancies, your lord.
For the first one, Gram Panchayat Tarabadi, name of sub-center is Ledason, composing of village Muraldi. Muraldi is 1 vacancy. So for the sub-center at Ledasan, only 1 village is there. Similarly, for sub-center at Beria, only 1 village is there.
But with my instructions are contrary. My lord. This particular, because this Palash Pahiri is one of the villages.
Not 1. It is the village
Only
in respect of the sub-center Beria.
No, with great respect, no.
and only village, your lord.
My instruction is that no as far as if your lordship sees page thing, it is, if your lordship sees in name of block Santuri, all this comes under Santuri.
Mhm.
Then your lordship say Gram Panchayat, the God is
In
Kartika.
Santuri, there are 7 Gram Panchayat, 7 sub-center and 7 villages.
Yes.
So
Ye-
for the
No,
Gram Panchayat Godalika, sub-center is Bedia and the only village is Polaspahad.
This is where my lord, I am, my lord, my instructions are contrary. My instructions are that as far as this particular thing, if your lordship sees page 27, your lordship find this particular sub-center is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 villages are covered by this. This is the demarcated area.
Yes, now the question comes, area means whether any particular village area is to
No,
be
the demarcated area.
or area is to be inter
The demarcated
as
area.
demarcated service area.
Yes. So demarcated service area is 5. And
No,
when
5 village.
Lord,
5 villages,
Demarcated service area is annexed at C2,
exactly.
which they have
This
annexed
is
at
part
page
and
20.
parcel of
no, no, this is at village.
No, not page 20 of the application, their application.
Yes.
There you see Santuri has 7.
বলেছে সেটারই এই পুরোটা 18
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Gram Panchayat. And in respect of each Gram Panchayat, there is 1 sub-center. So in respect of Gram Panchayat Godalika, there is only 1 sub-center Bedia. And that sub-center pertains to Polaspahad.
With greatest respect, no, my lord.
You know?
This may be situated at Polashpara, but this area it is catering to is all these 5. All these 5.
You show us that line, that all this.
Then I can put in as affidavit and bring that clarification before your lordship. Because my specific instruction is that it requires, it is service area is all 5 villages. If it is taken all 5 villages, the total population comes to is 47.33, which is less than 50%. That is why a general candidate was taken. If it would have exceeded 50, it would have been a scheduled caste, scheduled tribe candidate.
No, Mr. Banerjee,
Very
we
যদি
have
আমরা
to
একটা
got the
Polaspahad
option
ধরি,
to
then
deal
it
with
is
other
36.
dispute come to should be resident of the same area and village.
Yes. So even if today I take Polashpara,
When a candidate offer her candidature, his her Asha, then he should be resident of Polaspur village.
because that is where it is situated.
So you are giving meaning of the area and village in respect of eligibility criteria to a particular village.
Exactly.
But when you are trying to ascertain whether the majority would be scheduled caste as a village, then you are taking the
Yes.
5 villages.
I'm telling you. Now may I come? Today, this particular sub-center is located at a village called Polashpahari.
Hmm.
That is why today the staff has to be from that village because they have to cater.
No,
Because the-
sub-center is Bedia.
Beria, but it is in Polashpahari. That is,
Sub-center is at Polaspahad.
yes. Beria is the
Its name is sub-center Bedia.
sub-center Beria, but
It is
situated at
situated
Polashpahari.
at Polaspahad.
Polashpahari, which it is covering a distance of 5 villages.
No, then how can you say that? Then what? How will be your calculation in respect of Ledasan then?
Huh?
Modaldi, kindly come to first one.
No, we are not got in the figures of the first one. We are on now. If your lordship says, I want.
We are saying in your like Bedia, there is another sub-center Ledasan situated in the village Modaldi.
Yes.
So you are saying that when in respect of each of them, the total population in Bedia has to be taken into consideration.
No. Total, your lordship, it is in Santuri.
In Bedia, how many villages are there? Tell us.
5 villages.
Beria, that's what I said.
Five.
Beria, it is 5 villages.
Where do we find that?
That is my chart.
Page
No,
27.
This
That is
chart
page 27. That is my chart.
Bedia is 5 villages means total Pulia,
One is Beria, one is Goal Beria, one is Polashpahari, one is Matinda Swatsu, and one is Kulai.
Lordship, there may be 5 villages, but
wait. ইয়া গোয়াল বেরিয়া এখানে আছে কি?
হ্যাঁ এই যেটা সুলবের
মুডুলিয়া।
এখানে
না, ঠিকই বলছে। কেমন এটা দেখো বেরিয়াতে তো বলছে বেরিয়াতে এই সাবসেন্টার জন্য 5টা নেম অফ দি ভিলেজ বেরিয়া। এই যে সাবসেন্টার হচ্ছে বেরিয়াতে 5টা
শতাংশ বলছে আমি
4।
পাঁচবার ব্লকে
এবার তুমি
সেন্ট আছে সেটাও দেখা
এটা
যায়
আসো।
হুম।
এটা আসো। এই পাঁচটার নাম কিন্তু এই গোয়ালবেড়িয়া, পলাশ পাহাড়ি, এই যে গোয়াল, এই নয় যে প্রত্যেকটা জায়গার জন্য একটা সাব সেন্টার আছে। এই দেখো গোয়ালবেড়িয়া, যেমন এই লিস্টটাতে গোয়ালবেড়িয়া নেই।
না, নেম অফ দ্য সাব সেন্টার হচ্ছে বেরিয়া। আমার মনে হয়
এবার এই
সাব সেন্টার হচ্ছে শান্তুরি।
না,
No, that's in the block.
ব্লক, হ্যাঁ, শান্তুরি ইজ দ্য ব্লক, and name of the sub center বেরিয়া,
হ্যাঁ,
name of the village হচ্ছে পলাশ।
because that sub center is situated at পলাশ।
Yes. And it is catering to 5 villages.
কেন না? এই যে গোয়াল,
Because maybe the office or place of functioning is located at any place at Beria, but the man is being engaged to work for Polash Pahari village.
Because it is situated there, so it has to be a local person from there.
Lordship, the vacancy was with relation to that particular village only.
No.
There may be 10 villages, 20 villages, but the vacancy was with respect to that particular village, Palash Pahari. That is how the notification has been given. Residents of other village cannot be entertained in that particular village.
তো গোয়ালবেড়িয়া কুলাইছড়া তাহলে কিন্তু
Even in Polash Pahari, the majority is not.
গোয়ালবেড়িয়া কুলাইটা গেল।
ওগুলো fill up already fill up।
না না,
ওই আমরা প্রতিটা গ্রামের থেকে একটা করে আসা, মানে ভ্যাকেন্সি একটা বা দুটো।
And if your lordship sees, even if my learned friend's case, even in Polash Pahari, the majority is not scheduled tribe.
It is your lordship. It is.
They are saying that their population is 146 out of 200 something.
No, that is not correct. That is not correct. I am disputing that.
Page
That is
70,
not
your
correct.
lordship. Page 70.
That is not correct. I am giving the figures of Polash Pahari village also.
Because none has put his signature, none has taken responsibility.
No, no, I have done it. In my affidavit, it is there. This is part of the affidavit. This is the affidavit affirmed by Deputy Magistrate and Deputy
Who is the
Collector.
selected candidate? Who is the selected?
The general, I showed you, lordship.
Respondent here.
Hari or
Huh?
That Hari. But if your lordship comes back to,
Let the আসুন।
চিঠিটা আমাকে পাঠিয়েছে
না না, ওকে ডেকে আনি, যে সিলেক্টেড
your lordship, page 21.
ভোটের ইয়েতে নিয়ে আসুন না, তাহলেই তো হয়ে যাবে।
জন্য আমরা দিই।
তাহলে তো পপুলেশন নিয়ে যাবে। ও মনে আমাকে করেছে, কাউন্টটা ও করবে, ওটা হাতটা ইয়ে দিবে। একটা রোলটা সব কিছুই পায়।
Then you bring in a supplementary affidavit showing your population electoral roll and
kindly allow us the-
Electoral roll only the voters.
that tallies
But
with the
also-
number of voters as per
Population.
Population.
Electoral roll is not all of your lordship is ungrateful.
Even the
Electoral-
population
That
which
is
they have got doesn't match the
Only
census
the
report
voter.
and the electoral roll.
Who had not been voters, actually, they are also.
Then he has to produce the affidavit by the census authorities. That what is the authenticity of that report which is annexed. Your lordship will sitting in the report, would your lordship get into this exercise? I do not know. Then your lordship will have to call for the government of India officials.
Data of the census report.
sir, you have to justify that. That was not your case before the
In
report.
that
First,
first
number
lordship
one.
may direct.
No, 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 no. This way cannot, there cannot be a roving inquiry into. We are in judicial review. You have to pinpoint us. So it is not a case just for the sake of litigation, litigation will continue. Because the verdict which you are wanting would be disturbing the entire selection process of ASHA. It will, hue and cry will be raised. So many persons appointed.
Notification,
You participated in the selection process.
lordship, if the notification itself is inconsistent with their own